A very good morning to all of you. Today we have to do several questions with multiplication sign and with the division sign. I also know that you people know how to multiply the things. But the question is, you people know how to multiply the positive integers. But now the question is how to multiply the negative integers. That is very simple. Now according to me, you people know this thing now. If minus sign written together 2 times, that means my answer is positive. And if minus sign written 1 time and 1 time the sign is positive, then my answer is negative. And if it comes oppositely also, then also the situation is same, answer is with negative sign. Same criteria is there in case of multiplication and in case of division also. Now listen to me very carefully. If both integers are with negative sign, then our answer is positive. You can learn it like this way also. Here also single line is there, here also single line is there. When we can join these two lines like this way, then plus will form. If one integer is with positive sign, one integer is with negative sign, then this line will not get any other line to make it positive. So that means here the answer is negative. If opposite situation came, then also the answer is negative, because this negative sign, this will not get any more negative sign such that our answer is positive. So if both integers are positive, then you are doing in lower classes also, my answer is positive. I am repeating the things. If both integers are with negative sign, then our answer is positive. If any of the two integers is with negative sign, then my answer is negative. If both integers are positive, then obviously our answer is positive. Now see, 1 multiplied by 2, everybody knows our answer is 2. But we have to check, this also integer is negative, this also integer is negative, and now we have done minus plus is there. So that means my answer is positive. Now see, we are starting with this. 12 of 2s are 24. Everybody knows. But here both integers are positive, means that is super simple, that you people are doing in lower classes also. Now see, 12 multiplied by 2 is written. Answer is again 24. But here one integer is negative. One integer is with negative sign, and we know this thing, minus plus, our answer is minus. So the answer is minus 24. Again here the question is same. 12 of 2s are, answer is 24. But still now here one integer is negative. The difference in between these two questions is, here the negative sign is with 2 and now here the negative sign is with 12. No problem. You just have to see this thing, that here the one integer is with positive sign, one integer is with negative sign, and we know this thing, plus minus is equal to minus. So that means my answer is also negative. Now see, 12 of 2s are again 24, but here the both integers are with negative sign, so that means my answer is positive. So here my answer is positive. Now see what is division. How we do the division sums. Now see, in your book now question is written, find quotient and remainder. Leave that thing. Firstly, we have to calculate the answers of these questions. So again we have to start from downside. 125 divided by 5, this is our question. Now I think you people can able to do 5 2s are 10, here 25 left. Means in this way you can able to do division. And in your syllabus, in your book, which questions are given, in every question remainder is 0. So see it at once, we are discussing everything. That means if I divide 125 by 5, my answer is 25. So here this question is actually simple. So again we have to write 25. Now see, the criteria is simple. The same also that we have done in case of multiplication. Here also, if both integers are with negative sign, then the answer is positive. If one integer is positive, one integer is negative, then answer is negative. If again same, if both integers are positive, then also the answer is positive. Now see, 125 divided by minus 125 divided by minus 5. Here both integers are with the negative sign. Obviously answer is same 25. We have to just check the sign. If both integers are with a negative sign, then my answer is actually positive. Get it? Now see, here in this question, one integer is with positive sign, one integer is with positive sign, one integer is with negative sign. So that means here the answer is negative. So like this way. Again the answer is 25. Just we have to see which is the case. Here also one integer is with positive sign, one integer is with negative sign. So that means my answer is negative. Now see, 25 is what? That is your question, na? So that means in all these questions, this is the quotient actually. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So that means in every question you can write like this way. In every question remainder is 0. I hope you understood.